Today, we're going to find out how far a remote control car can go on one battery. The goal of this experiment to see how far a remote control car can drive, to know how long it will take to drain the battery, and to compare battery life with a normal drive outside. I started driving at 4 miles per hour on my treadmill. I did this on a treadmill so I could better keep track of how far I was going. Of course, the steering is never straight on these, so I had to hold it straight for the whole hour I was driving. Because this took so long, I had to speed up at the end to drain the battery quicker. I went from starting at 4 miles per hour and worked my way all the way up to 10 miles an hour. Who knew it could take this long to drain the battery? Here, I have a short time lapse showing the movement of the car over time. You can see I was pretty all over the place. Luckily though, I never hit the side of my treadmill and went flying off. I was able to keep it straight and not break anything. Now here's a view from the front to show you how fast we were going and how much we were swaying side to side. Here, you can really see how hard it was to keep this thing on the treadmill. Now, let's look at a little POV of the ride. This is where it really started to slow down a bit, around the 6 mile mark. Like all good things that come to an end, eventually we couldn't keep up. Wow, look at that. We burned 950 calories. Now my tires were bald before, but this treadmill shredded them. So, what did we learn? Well, we learned a remote control car can travel for over 6 miles. It takes a lot of time to drain the battery at 4 miles per hour, so you gotta up the speed. And finally, treadmills shred your tires. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video to help it blow up, because this took a really long time.